Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the Icemaker assembly in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a large flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the left side refrigerator door and pull out the ice bucket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw securing the ice wire harness cover. With the screw unthreaded, you can pull the cover straight out to remove. Depress the tabs to disconnect the wire harness connector. Next, unthread the screw securing the lower Icemaker cover. Use the large flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tab to release the cover. Use the screwdriver to help detach the refrigerant tubing from the bottom of the Icemaker. Now depress the retaining tab at the top and pull the Icemaker assembly forward and down to remove. This may require some effort. To install the new Icemaker assembly, position it in the housing so the refrigerant tubing feeds through the space between the Icemaker tray and the hinged lower cover. Then align the slots on the housing mounting posts and push back until the assembly is fully seated. Press the refrigerant tubing into place under the tray and close the cover. Rethread the screw to secure the cover. Connect the ice wire harness connector and secure the wires behind the clips. Realign the tabs on the wire harness cover with the slots in the Icemaker housing and push the cover straight back. Thread the screw to secure. Replace the ice bucket. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.